Nababo kabalin, kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to We're in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our We're in Pampanga community. And for today's video, this is the 4th partnership with DTI Pampanga. So thank you so much DTI for partnering with us.
Maraming salamat din syempre We're in Pampanga, Sir Louie, for allowing us to be showcased in your platform.
Yes, of course. So again, one of our advocacy is to promote Pampanga. Kung ano yung mga makikita dito sa Pampanga, we want it, mapakilala po namin. So speaking of that, we would like to introduce our SMEs as well as yung host natin for today. So let's start with Sir Will.
Hi, good morning. Wilfredo from Wil-Fel's Delicacies. Thank you for inviting us here. We're in Pampanga and lalo na DTI.
Ma'am Ann po.
I'm Ann from Adonai Coconut Products po. Thank you for inviting us also here in we're in Pampanga and also from DTI.
Of course, nandito tayo ngayon sa Eat and Greet and it will be introduced by Sir Neil.
First, thank you DTI and We're in Pampanga for choosing Eat and Greet to be your venue for this program. Malaki yung pasasalamat namin kasi nakakatulong tayo sa mga kapatid natin na nagsisimula sa negosyo. Dahil that naman tayo even started sa maliit na negosyo.
So Sir JR, so tell us more about Wil-Fel, Sir JR.
Nag-start yung Wil-Fel since 1986. Sa bahay lang kami, yun nga, bali sinubukan lang yung main product namin is kasaba yung maha. Then nagtitinda yung mother ko sa school. Yun.
So that was like 1990s parang gano'n.
90s.
So this is already an icon, a pillar po for kumbaga snacks dito sa San Fernando area. Ngayon, dumarami na yung mga branches na yun, stalls. Okay, as of now, how many stalls do we have?
Yung sa main lang namin yan.
Right now, okay. So it started with maha and
Kasaba.
Right now, how many products do we have?
Meron ng mochi and rice cake.
Mochi and rice cake. So
alos matatanda yung customer na
actually, di ba?
Gusto kasi dahil sa kalamay yung lasa ng native kakanin natin, hindi pa rin nag-iiba. Nag-ano lang kami through packaging dahil sa DTI and DOST. In-assist nila kami. Packaging namin dati is white lang. Ngayon, may mga design na, may mga pangalan na.
So isa sa mga benefit yun na nakuha mo sa DTI, branding. Alright, so let's move on with Adonai. Ann, when did it start? How many products do we have right now?
We started around 2011 po. Yung father ko yung nag-start ng business na.
Okay.
And then, nag-start po kami dito sa juices. Buko lang po talaga, na china-chop lang, tapos dadalhin. So, sabi ng father ko, why not ilagay na lang sa bottle, in an affordable price, para bibit-bitin na lang, hindi mabigat. Inalok-alok sa iba't ibang mga karinderya. Hanggang sa, sabi namin, ba't hindi padagdagan, na nagkiyak naman po kami sa Bukopie. Yung raw material na yun, ito i-vinegar na, which is natural 100% na.
Wow! So right now, yung mga products po natin are Bukopie and
Bukopie din po, ito yung tawag namin dyan, tarte de coco, para mas madali siyang kainin sa mga nagka-travel. So, yung laman niya, yung kakaiba na dun, yung kinayod po siya like salad. Talagang from the scratch, kasama namin yung DTI. At saka po kasi personally ako, hindi po talaga ako interest. I'm a nurse, paano po itutuloy yung ng father ko? Then, pumunta po ako sa Maxi Negosyo Center sa Nepo. Nakausap ko si Ma'am Alpine. Ma'am, wala po akong idea about business, sabi ko. And then sabi niya, Ma'am, may KMME kami, baka gusto mo mag-apply. Sige po ma'am, kung kaya po, willing po ako mag-attend. Which is, yun nga po, libre po lahat. Basta attend ka lang ng attend.
Sir Joseph, tell us more about yung mga benefits po ng naka-enroll po sa DTI.
Actually si Adonai Coco and si Wil-Fel's, we help them of course in developing first for the packaging and labeling. Na-enroll natin sila dun sa One Town, One Product development natin. And then currently they're just waiting for the release of their certificates for their trademark application. So itong mga brands din nilang yan, in-apply na natin yan for Intellectual Property Office para wala nang ibang makagaya.
So that's very beneficial po, lalong-lalo na dun sa mga aspiring mga business owners na kagaya nga po ni Ma'am Ann. So for example, she started as a nurse. I mean, no idea at all in starting a business, managing, marketing, brand awareness, mga ganyan. So, lahat po yan ay makukuha nilang libre sa DTI.
And pwera doon sa mga packaging and labeling, pwera doon sa mga product development, We also have what we call the Small and Medium Enterprise Roving Academy called SMERA. It is like giving trainings, seminars, skills training from the start, like business opportunity seminar, like birthing the entrepreneurial person in a person, no? Tapos graduating yan hanggang sa basic costing, yan ang kanilang business, tapos product development, tapos kung sa food ka, bibigyan din natin sila ng current good manufacturing practices, and so on and so forth. So marami tayong naka-line up actually ng mga trainings natin, ng mga topics, no? So these are under SMERA, or the SME Roving Academy. And then, it's roving because we go from one place to another, so that we bring, of course, DTI services nearer to the people. And these are all for free.
All of those perks are for free. So how can they start it? Like for example, do they need to go to DTI or to LGUs?
Yeah, kung malapit lang naman sila sa Del Rosario or to any DTI offices, they can proceed to any of our DTI offices para magpa-profile, no? So that we can get to know their skills, existing skills, their interests. And if not, we also have our various negosyo centers from different local government units. Pwede rin tayong magpa-profile sa mga business counselors natin. You can visit them there. Then same thing, they're gonna be asking you about if you have your existing product already, how is it? If not yet, ano ba yung interest and skills na existing kay SME natin? And from there, we're gonna evaluate all the needs ng ating participant. So doon natin magbibigay kung ano yung mga assistance na pwedeng mag-fit doon sa ating SME. Interested pa lang siya na mag-put up ng business, he or she can already visit the nearest negosyo center or the nearest DTI office para magpa-profile siya, and then we're gonna help him from scratch hanggang sa makaangat siya sa
amazing perks from DTI Pampanga. Speaking of business, one of the seasoned business owner dito po sa Pampanga is Sir Neil. So we are here at Eat and Greet. So I think si Sir Neil na mismo yung magpakilala dun sa business natin we are in right now.
Welcome to Eat and Greet again.
Thank you.
Eat and Greet is a proud product of Pandemic.
Really?
It was born on August 15. Previously, this was the Milk Delicious Century branch, meaning this was the 100 branch of Milk Delicious. Dati kasi ito lang ay all-day breakfast. Today, nag-evolve na siya into unlimited steak and pasta for only 590. For those who are craving for unlimited steak and pasta, you can always visit us.
So aside from the steaks that you mentioned earlier, sir, coffees are available as well.
Coffees, milk tea, steak, sandwiches, pasta. Come and visit us, and you will surely enjoy our food.
Amazing, amazing. Thank you so much, Sir JR, Ma'am Ann, for participating po sa campaigns ng DTI Pampanga. Of course, that's to help SMEs of Pampanga to get to known by the other, like outside Pampanga, mga ganyan, even local po natin. So please invite our viewers to come and check out yung Wil-Fel's.
Come and visit us. Yung main branch namin is sa tabi ng simbahan ng Dolores, sa may intersection. And thank you.
Alright. Mama, please.
You can check yung products po namin sa Super 8 Angeles branch, and meron po din po kami sa LNS. And you can also order through online sa GrabFood, sa Rewards Bucket, at saka sa Food Panda.
Wil-Fel's Delicacies, they're also available at Rewards Bucket.
So, before we leave you guys, we would like to thank Rewards Bucket for being a special partner in this video.
Hi, I'm Christina Brown Malik from Rewards Bucket. Rewards Bucket is an ordering and delivery mobile application wherein you could order your favorite products. Rewards Bucket gives rewards. So whenever you order, you will be having some points. And from these points, you could have some rewards. So what are our rewards? Smart loads, globe loads, gadgets, such as cell phone, iPods. In the future, we'll be giving small appliances also. We would like to invite everyone to be merchants of Rewards Bucket. Widen your reach here in Pampanga. Our membership is free. We don't have any monthly fees. A partnership with DTI Auto, wherein we carry the products and we deliver the products of entrepreneurs throughout Pampanga.
Alright, so there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching our video. Thanks so much for being with us in this video. So we're gonna taste this. Thank you so much for watching. We're in Pampanga. Till our next video, we hope to see you there. Peace. Bye.